Staycation near SM Marilao na may swimming pool at cozy unit. Tara, yung mga kanus, alam nyo ba ang nalaman ko? If taganap kayo ng staycation na katabi lang ng SM Marilao, pues ito na para sa inyo ang MKW Staycation. Siyempre ito yung swimming pool nila na malaki at malinis na pwede nyo avail. Meron silang pay parking at may playground din. For the unit self-check-in siya kaya no problem anytime pwedeng mag-check-in. Pagpasok dito sa kaliwa, located ang kanilang kitchen area na may ref, microwave oven, rice cooker, stove at iba pa. May kitchenwares kaya pwede magluto. Plus, may dining wares na din kaya no need na magdala. On the right side is their comfort room na may hot and cold shower, toilet and bidet and sink. And going in, makikita nyo dito ang kanilang dining bar table na pwede kayo dito kumain o kaya mag-work. This is their living room na may malaking sofa, may smart TV for Netflix and chill o kaya for video kaya sing along. At may nakaredy din na board games dito. Pagpasok nyo sa loob ng bedroom, may malaki at elevated queen size bed na may pull-out bed pa nga. May vanity area on the side din. May free wifi sila, basic toiletries and towel, and this is their rates. O ano pa hinihintay nyo? Tara na dito sa MKW Staycation sa Marilao, Bulacan. Let's go!